Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're my regular viewers, welcome back, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today's video is a requested video for a wedding set of nails. So this particular one I'm doing it as if it was the bride. So the nails are nice and short, and there's not too much going on in them. So it's a bit of like a baby boomer, and then a few little rhinestones and a little bit of glitter. Not too much, because the bride's nails are always, you know, they've got their new rings on for the day and they take precedent over the nails. As I said, this is a requested video from one of my lovely viewers, and if anyone else has any requested videos, just pop it in the comments below and I will try my best to do it. I may not do it straight away, it may take me a while, but I will eventually get round to doing them. For this set, I'm using my new and improved hand dolly, and I'm using Glitterbels extreme length tips, which I've cut down and shaped just to sort of tapered square shape. And I'm going in with my own sort of like soft white, it's white acrylic mixed with clear acrylic just to give a softer look. And then I'm going in over that with pink opal. So there was a little break in this video because I had a visitor and she came right in the middle of me doing my video. So I had to go in and file the little finger just ever so slightly because I had to basically like run to the door. So yeah, it cured without me really getting to shape it. But onto the ring finger, which is, this is the finger that everything is all about on the wedding day, that and the dress. So I'm getting in with my little soft white, and I'm just doing a full coverage on this nail of the soft white. And moving on to the middle finger, and I'm going in with the soft white on the free edge, and then I'm going to go in and add Mercury, which is one of Glitterbels pre-mixed glitters, and it's a lovely like silver white sort of coloured glitter. It's really pretty and perfect to go with a bridal set. With the Mercury, I'm not bringing it over the entire nail, I'm just bringing it down towards the free edge, and I'm just going to feather it over the soft white. So onto the pointer finger now, and I'm getting in again with this soft white mix, and I'm just going to bring that down towards the free edge and just feather it up towards the cuticle so I can do another baby boomer look. Now I'm going in with the pink opal and I'm just bringing that down to ombre over the soft white, but I did bring it down too far and lost my apex, so you can see that I'm pushing it back up towards the cuticle area just to get that apex back in the place where it should have been. Now that all the acrylic's cured, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cap them with glass slippers. As usual, I'm only going to show one of the nails being capped just to keep the length of the video down. So now the acrylic is all cured and I'm going to go in and do my normal filing routine, which I start at the side walls. I make sure they're nice and straight. Then I go to the lower arch and make sure that's nice and straight and coming in line with the natural nail. And then I'll go to, well, I usually go to the free edge. In this one I didn't. I went to the cuticle area just to make sure that that was nice and flush, and now I'm at the free edge. Once I've done all that, I go over the whole nail and just make sure that it's nice and symmetrical and that there are no lumps and bumps. I usually file in an upward motion towards the apex, and that way I'm keeping the structure of the nail and the apex where I placed it. Yay, and it's top coat time. I'm going in with my Glitterbels No Wipe top coat, and unfortunately because we've only got one nail of glitter, that's only one wow nail. Not like any of the other videos where we've had loads of glitter, but you know, we haven't finished with this set yet. We still to go in and add our rhinestones. Now I'm going in with some more of the Glitterbels No Wipe top coat. Because I'm using my hand dolly and not on a client's hand, I'm just going to adhere the rhinestones to the nail with the top coat. If it was a client, I would be using either my Neo Nails clear Acrygel, or I would be using the Glitterbels base glue. And here's the finished set, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you can go ahead and do that now. And if you do have any videos, don't forget to pop them in the comments below, and I will always try my best to do them for you. So I will see you all in the next video. So take care. See you soon. Bye.